southwestern Madison County, northwestern Clinton County, northeastern Warren County, southeastern Clark County, Greene County, until 1:15 a.m. At 10:01 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Xenia, Lebanon, Springboro, Bellbrook, Cedarville, Waynesville, Jamestown, South Charleston, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Harveysburg, Spring Valley, Corwin, South Solon, Centerville, Middleton Corner, Petersville, Old Town, Lumberton, and Greene County Airport. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. A tornado warning remains in effect until 10:15 p.m. for northeastern Warren and southwestern Greene counties.